Welcome to this video. It is part of our free course on how to create a restaurant management platform using WordPress multi-site and WP Ultimo. You will learn how to build a multi-site network and how to sell memberships on it. Your users will be able to sell food online. Set up different payment methods. Display the restaurant's food menu using a QR code. View new orders and sales reports updated instantly. Add accounts for waiters and cooks, and much more. All this will be done from a beautiful front-end dashboard that we will teach you how to create easily. The best news is that you don't need to be an experienced developer to build a platform like this. Subscribe to take this free course using the link in the description of this video. In this lesson, we'll show you how to set up some important settings on the front end so that our platform users manage the currency, payment gateways and taxes, set up an automatic refresh for the orders page, choose the menu style, the logo, and the colors for their restaurant sites, manage their accounts to buy higher plans or set up custom domains for their restaurant sites, and design beautiful invoices to send to clients when a new order is placed. On the front-end dashboard site, we need to create a new page, edit it with Elementor, import our favorite dashboard template, and add at least 5 tabs. The first tab will contain the WooCommerce settings. The second tab will allow our users to choose their food menu style. The third tab will allow users to customize their site's logo and colors. The fourth tab will allow users to manage their WP Ultimo account. And the fifth tab will allow users to design beautiful invoices. You can find all the necessary shortcodes in the text version of this lesson. The only URL you will need to add manually will be the URL of the Invoice Designer tab. For this, you need to open your front-end dashboard site and go to WooCommerce, Email Customizer. Once here, copy the URL and paste it within the quotations of the shortcode. Once you enter the Email Customizer URL, you can hit Preview Changes to set up the page on the front end. The first thing you need to do is select the basic information of the page. Now we need to set up the Store Settings section, and we'll hide the Products tab. Shipping, Accounts and Privacy, Emails, Integration, and the Advanced Settings. We just need to keep the General, Tax, Payments, and Auto Refresh tabs. Now let's hide the selling locations, the shipping locations, and the default customer location fields. Once you do that, save changes. Here is the Taxes tab, from which we won't hide any element. This is the Payment Gateways tab. We will remove the recommended ways to pay. Let's save changes once we do that. And in the Auto Refresh Orders tab, we will just remove the heading and save changes. Now it's time to set up the Menu Style tab. This page shows the WordPress reading settings, where we normally select our website's front page. In this case, we need to remove the latest posts option here. Also, we need to remove these other options. We just need to keep the static page option, and the drop-down to select the page. In future lessons, we'll show you how to create a template site containing different beautiful menu styles. Therefore, when our platform users view this page on the front end, they will be able to select any of these pages as the home page of their restaurant site. Let's save the changes we've applied to this tab. Now we need to set up the Brand tab. It will display the Customizer page on the front end, where users will be able to select their site's typography, colors, and logo. It's important to mention that for this course, we're using the Cadence theme. However, you can use any other theme. By default, the Customizer page is shown in full screen on the front end. However, we can change that. In our Network Admin, let's open the WP Front-End Admin settings, and we will find the Full Screen Pages field. As you can see here, the Customize.php page is displayed as full screen. Therefore, we need to enter Customize.php and disable full screen for these pages. Once you do that, save the changes and go back to your front-end dashboard. Now you can start hiding all the unnecessary sections from the Customizer page. In this case, we'll only keep the general and the site identity settings, so we need to remove the other sections. Within general, we will keep the colors, buttons, and the typography settings, so we need to remove the other sections. This way, our users will only be able to set up the site title and logo, its colors, and typographies. This will simplify their work to set up their sites. We can also hide this button to avoid users getting access to the theme section in the customizer. Once we finish setting up the customizer page on the front end, let's save the changes. In the Membership tab, you won't be able to view the WP Ultimo account, since it's displayed when the site has a WP Ultimo plan assigned. However, you don't need to worry because the solution is to create a site as a normal user with an Ultimo plan. Once you do that, reload the page, and you will be able to view and edit the content. The Invoice Designer tab shows the email customizer fields added by the Cadence Email Customizer plugin. This section will allow your restaurant managers to design invoices, and thus save time and money printing invoices. Here we won't hide any elements, so let's just save changes. As you can see, all the pages of our dashboard have been added, and now we just need to go to Elementor and publish the settings page. Now it's time to complete our dashboard, adding beautiful icons to the navigation menu items. To do this, we go to the menu options, under Appearance. Now just click on this icon to open the icon gallery and add one to the first item. This is possible thanks to the WP Menu Icons plugin. Now you can continue adding all the icons to the menu items. Once you're done, just save changes to this menu. Now let's select the home page of the dashboard site, which needs to be one of the dashboard pages. In this example, let's choose the QR code page. However, you could select the page you want. If you visit the site now, you'll see it opens the QR code page. In the next lesson, we'll show you how to create a beautiful login page for your platform, using Elementor. You can read the text version of this lesson by following the link in the description. There, you can find all the necessary shortcodes and find important download links.